Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so changes won't fail. Make a restore point and sign in as administrator. Then open Task Manager and force stop WM Player, exe and any related host processes to release locks. Next, open Services and stop Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. This prevents the server conflict while you repair files. Once done, make sure no WM Player services are running. This clears the immediate contention that causes the server execution failed error and lets you proceed safely. You now repair core components and fix registration issues. Open an elevated command, prompt and run sfc/scano. If problems persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, because corrupted system files often trigger the server error. After repairs, re-register essential DLLs with regsfor32 for files used by Windows Media Player so COM objects are restored. Then open Registry Editor and verify WMP keys under HKLM/software. You finish by reinstalling and validating the fix. Go to turn Windows features on or off and disable Windows Media Player, reboot, then re-enable it to reinstall core files. If that fails, uninstall WMP via features or use programs and features to remove related updates, then reinstall. Also clear or reset user app data media player folders to remove corrupted library files. If problems remain, inspect Event Viewer for exact error codes and check whether a temporary or corrupt user profile is causing the server execution failed issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.